Class 5, we are continuing with vulgar fraction chapter, exercise 11. In the previous video, you have seen we have done multiplication sums of exercise 11. We are continuing that. This is sum number 11. Now you can see that here 3 fractions are given and each of the fractions are given in mixed fraction form and you need to multiply them. So first step will be converting of mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how will you do? The same technique, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by the denominator part of the mixed fraction. A mixed fraction consists of whole number and a fractional part. The denominator which is present in the fractional part will be also the denominator here. So you have converted the mixed into an improper fraction. We call this improper fraction, I am repeatedly telling you, when the numerator value is greater than denominator. In the same way you will convert the mixed into improper fractions. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 by, here 3 is present as denominator, so 3 into 6 5s are 30 plus 3 33 by 5. Now after getting this we have to cancel. How can we cancel? Either top down we can cancel like this straight, or we can cancel crosswise like this, or like this we can cancel. So starting 3 11s are 33. Crosswise we have cancelled. Again 5 5s are 25. Now you can see that no other number is present which can be cancelled with the, now in down you have only 2 left out. 2 cannot be cancelled with 7, 2 cannot be cancelled with 5 or 11 because these are a set of prime numbers and this is just an even number. So now after all these cancellation, whatever we are left with we have to do. So in the numerator we are left with 7, 5 and 11. So we will multiply all the three numerators, 7 into 5 into 11, divided by, down we have 2 into 1 into 1. So you may write this one or you may not write, it does not have any effect. 7 5s are 35, 35 into 11 you can do it in rough. So it is 385 on top, down you have 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So 385 by 2, which is a kind of improper fraction because the numerator is very big than the denominator. So you have to change into mixed fraction. How you change? The numerator you divide with the help of the denominator 2. So 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 3 minus 2, 1. We are taking one number at a time. Now take down 8. 2 9s are 18. Totally divisible number. Now what is left out? Here nothing is left, means 0. You have one more number, 5. Take it down. 2 2s are 4. So the remainder is 1. That means the mixed fraction will be, quotient will be the whole number part, 192. Then the fractional part's numerator will be the remainder. I said that we move like this. So this becomes the whole number. This is the numerator of a fraction and the divisor becomes the denominator. So 192 1 by 2 is the answer. Now we are moving to sum number 14. Sum number 14 consists of again a multiplication sum where you can see a whole number is given, one mixed fraction is given, and the two numbers are given in their fractional form. So how will you do this? Now whole number, if it is given, I said if you only divide it with 1, it turns out it can be written as a fractional number. Then the mixed number can also be converted into fraction. 2 into 36 plus 1 will be the numerator. So 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 3 are 6, 72 plus 1, 73 by 36 into, now these two numbers are given in fractional form. No need to change, just write as it is. So next step, when we can see that all the numbers have already been written in their fractional form, now we will try to cancel it. So how we will cancel? Whatever you know, first cancel that. See, 12 and 12 are crossways. So same number can be cancelled. 12, they both can be divided with 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. Already cancelled. Same number again crossways, you can see. So 73, 73 also cancelled. Now you are left with 5 and 36. Now 5 and 36 cannot go because it's a odd number or prime number, and this is an even number. So you have to try out 36 and 108. Now they both, see, check the last digit. They both have 8 and 6 even numbers. That means they can be cancelled with the number 2. So with 2 if I divide, 2 ones are 2. So out of 3, 2 ones are 2. 1 is left, 1 and 6. 2 8s are 16. That means 2 18s are, we get 36. Similarly, if I divide with 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. We got 54. Again, 18 and 54. 8 and 4, the last digits are even number. We can again cancel with 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 2s gives you 4. So out of 5, if you get 4, only 1 is left. 1 and the last digit is 4. So 1 and 4 makes 14 and 2 7s are 14. So 27 and 9 you have got. Now these two numbers cannot be cancelled with 2 because they have 7 and 9. Not even numbers. So you can try out with 9 also. The table of 9 gives you 27. 9 3s are 27. So everything has been cancelled, and in the numerator part, after so much calculation, we have 3 left, and over here we are left with 5. The other two numbers also got cancelled. So in the numerator you have to just multiply 3 with 5, it is 15, and denominator nothing is left. That means 1, which is equal to 15. So the answer is a whole number. That means even when we solve a fraction, we might not get the answer in fractional form. We may get a simplified whole number. So this is the answer. So it might look big, but actually the sum isn't that big enough. A multiplication sum number 16. Now this also looks complicated because it has 3-digit number, 2 digits number, but it is also easy. Now here all the numbers are given in fractional form. That means numerator and denominator form. So there is no need to change it. It is already given in simple fraction form. So we have to start with cancellation. Now crosswise, 5 5s are 25. Now students, you can cancel in your own way and everything is correct unless you make mistake. So 5 5s are 25. Now with this 5, can I cancel this 65? No, because they are both in denominator. Sideways we cannot cancel. So I can try out 5 with 75. 5 ones are 5. Now you have to divide 75 with 5. 5 ones are 5. So think about one number 7. So 5 ones are gives you 5. 7 minus 5 gives you only 2. That 2 and 5 is left out. 5 5s are 25. So verbally when we divide it while doing the sum, we do not do it in the normal division method. We do it only by calculating. Suppose I have divided this with 5. So what I have done, 7 I have taken as a single digit number. So 5 ones can give me 5. So 7 minus 5 gives me 2. So 2 is left from here and another 5 is there. So 2 and 5 makes 25. So 5 5s gives you 25 and no remainder, nothing is left out. So it is already divisible. Now 15 and 65, again they can be cancelled with 5. 5 3s are 15. In the table of 5 you will see 5 3s are 15. And again we will cancel. We will do the division verbally. Cancel 65. Now think about 6. 5 ones gives you 5. 6 minus 5, only 1 is left. Now with 1 you have the next number 5. So 1 and 5, 15. So 5 3s are, we know it gives us 15. No remainder, so it is also divisible. Now we have 3, 133, 7, 112, 13. All these numbers are left out. So what we will do, we will see whether they are going or not. Now if the numbers are not going, what you will do? You will straight away multiply them. Multiply them means 3 into 133 into 7 you can do. Again 112 into 13 into 38 you can do. Now the numbers are big, so you might get confused, but you need to try out. Try out to divide 7 and 112. What you will see? So you have to try out until you can come to the conclusion that no numbers cannot be cancelled further. So 7, divide this. 7 ones gives you 7. So out of 11, if you get 7, what is left out? 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4. 4 and 2, 42 is there. 7, 6 gives you 42. Okay. Now 16, you have to see whether if the number is going with anybody, whether you can cancel or not. If you cannot cancel, you will straight away multiply them. So when no numbers cannot be cancelled further, you will just multiply. Now 3 into 133 gives you 399. And down you will multiply 16 into 13 into 38. So when so many numbers are given, you can multiply two numbers and with the result multiply the third number. So 16 into 13. 208. Now with 208 you will multiply 38. 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 zeros are 0. So only the carried number 6 will come. 8 2s are 16 into 3 8s are 24, 2 3 zeros are 0. Only whatever number you have carried you write. 3 2s are 6. So the numbers are 4, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 1, 7. So the denominator will have the big number, that is 7904. And the top part is lesser than the denominator, that is numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction and keep it as it is. This is your answer. Practice the multiplication exercise in your rough work, whichever sum is possible. And if you have any doubts, leave it for the live class session.